Is it possible to make $10,000 per month using ChatGPT? Yes, it is possible. You can make money very fast using ChatGPT. But how? Keep watching this video to find out. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT can be used in a wide range of applications, including providing conversational assistance, answering questions, generating creative content, and much more. ChatGPT does not offer get-rich-quick schemes. But if you're willing to put in the time and couple ChatGPT with your other skills, you can easily earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Today, I'm going to be talking about 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Number 1. Leveraging ChatGPT for content creation. The first way to make $10,000 per month with ChatGPT is by utilizing it for content creation. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful language model that can assist you in producing high-quality articles, blog posts, scripts, and more. By offering your content creation services to businesses, blogs, or individuals, you can easily make a lot of money. Number 2. Creating online courses. With ChatGPT, you can create online courses that provide an interactive and personalized learning experience. Incorporate ChatGPT into your course platform, allowing students to ask questions and receive AI-generated responses. This creates a dynamic learning environment and enhances the overall educational experience. By offering courses in niche areas where demand is high, you can generate a significant monthly income through course sales and subscriptions. Number 3. Offer freelance writing services. If you're not a good writer, but you still want to make money with ChatGPT, then you can offer freelance writing services. There are a number of different websites where you can find freelance writing gigs. Just create a profile and start bidding on projects. With ChatGPT, you can easily write high-quality content that will meet your clients' expectations. And because you're using ChatGPT, you can save a lot of time on the writing process. Number 4. Developing AI-driven chatbots. Creating and selling AI-driven chatbots is another profitable avenue. With ChatGPT's conversational abilities, you can develop chatbots for businesses that enhance customer support and increase engagement. These chatbots can be tailored to specific industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, or education. By marketing your chatbot services effectively and providing a valuable solution to businesses, you can generate substantial income through customized chatbot development. Number 5. Monetizing an AI-driven YouTube channel. If you're passionate about creating video content, an AI-driven YouTube channel can be an excellent avenue for income generation. Use ChatGPT to create engaging and informative videos on various topics. Incorporate AI-generated scripts for enhanced storytelling and provide valuable content to your viewers. By growing your subscriber base and monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can achieve significant monthly revenue. Number 6. Virtual assistant services. ChatGPT can also be utilized to provide virtual assistant services. Many individuals and businesses seek assistance with tasks such as scheduling, data entry, email management, and research. With ChatGPT's capabilities, you can offer virtual assistant services and streamline your clients' workflows. By charging a competitive hourly rate, you can generate substantial income. Number 7. Start a podcast. Podcasts are another great way to make money online. And with ChatGPT, you can easily create high-quality podcasts that will keep your listeners engaged. There are a number of different ways to make money from podcasts. You can earn money from advertising, sponsorships, or selling your own products or services. In this video, we've explored 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT. By positioning yourself as an expert and marketing your skills effectively, you can tap into the growing demand for AI-driven solutions and create a thriving business. So, choose the strategy that resonates with you the most. Take action and start your journey toward financial success with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.